Hi guys, today we will explain how to disable guest mode in Google Chrome. As you can see, I am in the guest mode of Google Chrome. But before going any further, let me clear one thing, and that is you cannot permanently disable the guest mode because it's built in by the Google Chrome developer. So how can you disable it? For disabling the guest mode, there are few ways. The first way is open the new tab and in the search bar, search for Gmail. After searching, take a look on the right of you will see an icon of sign in. Just click on it and sign in your Google account. Because when you will sign in with your Google account, then the guest mode will be disabled automatically. And the next way of disabling the guest mode is click on this option guest mode and tap on this option close guest. Then it will close the guest mode of Google Chrome. And it was the way by which you can disable guest mode in Google Chrome.